Hello to all of you friends. Today I will show you how to make a simple starter gold farm. Let's get started. Put this wheel like this and put a block on top of it and make the scale 100, then stretch it one time. Put a wheel at the end and do as I did. Then put 3 portals like this and paint each of them in different colors that you will remember, because they will not match the portals we are about to put. Adjust the wheel torque in this way. And change the wheel speed to 20 for the wheel closer to the portal and 5 for the wheel further away. Now let's do the second part. Don't forget to do exactly what I do. Now we are going to paint them with the same colors of the portals we put before. Arrange a seat and fly him with the means at your disposal. Stop before you pass this black wall and turn off the anchor. And finally, you can finish the gold farm by closing both the anchors and the collision. The video is over. I hope it worked for you. And if it did, don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe and like, and I'm waiting for your content ideas in the comments.